Hi there, this Tutor to You revision video looks at the spectrum of competition. Well, the spectrum of competition is one way of describing the range of market structures that you'll come across as a student. And that ranges from perfect competition, where markets are extremely competitive in terms of low barriers to entry and many firms competing, to monopolistic competition, oligopoly, duopoly, and then pure monopoly. So in perfect competition, an ideal market structure in many ways where many firms sell identical products, there are no barriers to entry, and firms are price takers instead of price makers. In monopolistic competition, there are many firms, again, offering differentiated products, hence a downward sloping demand curve, but again, very low or non-existent barriers to entry and exit. Once we move to oligopoly, then we're getting into more concentrated market structures. And these are markets where a few firms dominate the market. There could be many businesses, but it's characterised by high concentration amongst a few large firms. And in duopoly, a specific type of oligopoly, there are two firms that dominate the market. Once we get to pure monopoly, that's when the firm is the industry. A single firm essentially controls the entire, or in near terms, more than 90% of the market for a product or service. And then, of course, we have contestable markets. Now, that is a market characterised by the potential for competition rather than narrowly focused on the actual number of competitors. So there's both the threat of and the existence of competition. That's the essential characteristic of a contestable market, alongside the absence of sunk costs. And perfect competition, whilst it's an idealised market, we get close when you have, for example, localised farmers markets, where you have tens of farmers selling very similar products. Monopolistic competition in areas such as small restaurants in the town or city, clothing retailers and numerous cafe bars. Oligopoly, probably the most common form of market structure, supermarkets, mobile network providers, mortgage lenders, and so on and so forth. Duopoly, well, one thinks about the dominance of soft drinks manufacturers such as Coca-Cola and Pepsi. Contestable markets, good examples include the increasing contestability in the low-cost airline sector, budget gyms and hotels. And when we get to monopoly, obviously you have your regional utilities, Thames Water, for example. Historically, the Royal Mail had a monopoly on delivering letters. That's now ended. But also think about the monopoly power of digital giants, such as Google in search and Amazon in online retail. There we go, a quick look at the spectrum of competition.